Hi, if you want to take macro photos on the iPhone 16, then open camera and go in the photo mode. Now let's take this plant because I want to take a picture of this plant and just point your camera at the object you want to take a picture of. And now you'll see this flower icon on the left side on the bottom of the screen, which is for the macro photos. So when it's yellow, it is enabled and you can see that the picture is really detailed and sharp. But if we disable it, everything is blurred now and you cannot see anything. So let's enable it and take a photo by pressing the camera shutter button. Now let's disable it and take a photo as well to see the difference. And also you can use to zoom, by the way. Just tap on the 2 option and take a photo by tapping on the camera shutter button. And now let's see the result and let's check the difference between the enabled macro photos and disabled. So here is the enabled with 2x zoom, this is disabled, and this is 1x zoom. Really perfect and sharp picture. So I also took a photo earlier before with the macro feature enabled, and just look how perfect it is. You can see everything on this picture, even the tiny scratches. So yeah, that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.